TikTok Lite versus Spark Codes, two different tools. One for low bandwidth users, one for high performance ad scaling. So, here understanding TikTok Lite. Bit for emerging markets with limited bandwidth and dealer older device. TikTok Lite strips the app down to its essentials. 300 MB to 100 MB. So 100 MB app size reduced by over 80% for low-end device and slow connection. Featured remove video creation tools and AI content labels are excluded from the Lite version. Not in the US, available only in emerging markets. US users cannot access TikTok Lite. The reality of TikTok Lite safety. Researchers flag TikTok Lite as a dumping ground for unsafe content, missing the protective infrastructure of the main app. No AI content labels, no screen time control, but as we saw on the last use of what do you call this TikTok Lite, we have a screen time control. So yeah, but overall, most of them, has no screen control. Two-tier safety system. Light users receive miserably less proactive than flagship app users. So, Spark Codes, essential ad scaling tool. So, native social proof and authorized token. The hashtag code grants brands permission to scale organic content as paid media. Performance marketing must have. Without a Spark code, you cannot scale a creator's winning content. So, critical workflow, never lose your scaling momentum. Contract first, set auto window, separate tools. Following this three-step sequence ensures your paid constraint stays alive, complaint, and scalable from day one. Key distinction: TikTok Lite is consumption tool for research constrained markets. Spark codes are the engine of your paid growth strategy. Never confuse the two. So there you guys, hope you guys enjoy. If you want to question, sabi daw ako siya malagay sa as soon as possible, and thank you guys.